Picture this. You're standing at the baggage carousel, watching it spin endlessly, while every other passenger walks away with their luggage. Your vacation essentials, your work presentations, your entire trip, gone. What if I told you this nightmare scenario happens to over 25 million bags every year? But it's completely preventable if you know the insider secrets airlines desperately hope you'll never discover? Subscribe right now because I'm about to reveal 10 luggage hacks that will transform you from a helpless passenger into someone who beats the airlines at their own game. And the #1 strategy alone has saved thousands of travelers from complete disaster. Airlines mishandle on average 76 bags per 1,000 passengers in the US, creating a multi-billion-dollar industry built on passenger frustration. But here's what they don't want you to know. The vast majority of these disasters can be avoided with simple techniques that cost nothing but could save your entire vacation. Today, we're counting down from 10 to 1, and trust me, we're saving the absolute best revelation for last. Luggage hack number 10. Create your luggage's secret identity. Most travelers make their first critical mistake at check-in by trusting only those flimsy airline tags. Here's what seasoned globetrotters understand. External identification disappears constantly during the chaos of baggage handling. Conveyor belts rip them off, careless workers lose them, and suddenly your suitcase becomes completely anonymous in a sea of identical black bags. The solution is brilliantly simple. Establish a backup identity inside your luggage. Place a waterproof card containing your name, phone number with international code, email address, and destination hotel directly inside your suitcase. Think of this as your bag's insurance policy. When external tags vanish, this hidden lifeline gives airline staff everything needed to reunite you with your belongings. This 30-second preparation has rescued countless vacations from disaster. Luggage hack number 9. Master the deadly overpacking trap. If you're someone who sits on your suitcase to force the zipper closed, this strategy will save you from embarrassment and financial loss. Overstuffed luggage creates multiple failure points that turn airport terminals into personal fashion shows when zippers explode under pressure. But there's an even more dangerous consequence most travelers never consider. When TSA agents inspect overpacked bags, they lack both time and motivation to repack items carefully. The result is damaged belongings, broken zippers, and sometimes items that simply disappear during the inspection process. Professional travelers swear by the 80% rule. Never fill your suitcase beyond 80% capacity, leaving room for movement during transit and space for unexpected purchases. Last month, Sarah learned this lesson the hard way when her overstuffed designer bag burst open at JFK, scattering her clothes across the baggage claim area. Quick travel hack for you. And honestly, this one saves me so much time and stress. If you're planning any trip, don't waste time searching all over the internet. Just use Expedia's Travel Helper. It's hands down the best way to book flights, hotels, and rental cars in one simple place. No confusion, no endless tabs. Expedia automatically finds senior-friendly deals, flexible change options, and bundle discounts that other sites simply don't show you. So here's what you do. Before your next trip, use the Expedia link below this video. Trust me, once you've tried it, you'll never plan another trip any other way. All right, let's get back to it. Luggage hack number 8. Choose the right suitcase. Ever notice that airport baggage handlers personally use hard-shell suitcases? They understand something most passengers don't. Soft-sided luggage offers zero protection in the brutal battlefield of airport baggage systems. Your bag will be thrown, crushed, stacked under heavy items, and potentially exposed to extreme weather conditions. Hard-shell suitcases aren't just about protecting your belongings from rough handling. They're your primary defense against theft. While criminals can slice through soft bags with basic tools in seconds, quality polycarbonate shells require serious equipment and time to breach. Modern hard-shell luggage combines lightweight construction with fortress-level security, featuring built-in TSA locks and water-resistant zippers. Luggage hack number 7. Use TSA-Approved Locks. Use locks that survive inspection. Here's where most travelers make expensive mistakes. When security needs to inspect your bag and encounters a non-TSA-approved lock, they're authorized to destroy it using any method necessary. Your luggage then continues its journey with zero protection. My colleague David discovered this reality during a European business trip when his heavy-duty padlock was cut off, leaving his bag secured only with a flimsy zip tie. His expensive camera equipment was gone by arrival. TSA-Approved Locks solved this problem elegantly by allowing security personnel to open and relock your bag using special master keys. Choose combination locks over keyed versions, since keys can be lost, but avoid obvious combinations that provide no real security. Luggage hack number 6, making your zippers truly tamper-proof. Here's a vulnerability that shocks most travelers. Locked suitcases can still be compromised in seconds using just an ordinary ballpoint pen. Criminals force the pen between zipper teeth, create an opening large enough to access contents, then slide the zipper pulls back over the breech, leaving your lock intact with no visible signs of tampering. The defense against this technique is surprisingly simple: zip tie reinforcement. Adding brightly colored zip ties through your zipper pulls alongside your regular lock creates tamper-evident seals. Anyone attempting the pen trick must break these ties, providing immediate visual proof that someone accessed your belongings. Choose distinctive colors that make your bag instantly recognizable while doubling as security indicators. Now we're entering high-tech territory with the next one. Luggage hack number 5. Become your own luggage surveillance system. Imagine your bag doesn't appear at baggage claim, but instead of panicking, you calmly check your phone and see it's still sitting at your departure airport. This is the revolutionary power of modern luggage tracking technology. Recent advances in tracking devices designed specifically for travel offer extended battery life and global coverage that transforms the entire lost luggage experience. When your bag goes missing, you're not just another frustrated passenger filing a report. You're the person telling the airline exactly where their property is located. This completely flips the power dynamic in your favor. Tom from Chicago used this strategy last summer and located his missing bag at a connecting airport within minutes, getting it rerouted to his destination the same day. Strategic placement matters. Hide your tracker in an interior pocket where it can't be easily removed or buried under other items. Many premium credit cards now reimburse the cost of these devices as part of their travel benefits. Luggage hack number 4. Create comprehensive documentation. When luggage disappears, airline staff request descriptions, but saying you have a black suitcase with wheels is like describing your car as the metal one with windows. This vague information helps nobody and delays recovery significantly. Create a detailed digital profile of your luggage before every trip. Photograph all 6 sides, capture distinctive markings or stickers, document brand labels and model numbers, and include images of the interior organization. But here's the advanced technique most travelers miss. Photograph your packed items organized by category. This documentation serves dual purposes, providing proof of contents for insurance claims and giving airline staff detailed evidence to identify your bag if tags are missing. Store these images in cloud services accessible from any device, not just your phone, which could be lost or damaged. Luggage hack number 3. Treating your claim. Check like treasure. In our digital world, it's tempting to dismiss that small paper baggage stub as outdated, but that would be a costly mistake potentially worth thousands of dollars. Without this claim check, you have virtually no leverage when dealing with airlines about missing luggage. That seemingly insignificant piece of paper is the only official connection between you and your belongings within the airline's computer system. The systematic approach starts the moment you receive it. Immediately photograph the claim check with your smartphone, then email that image to yourself with a clear subject line, including your destination and travel date. For international travel, print a physical backup copy to store separately from the original. Those claim numbers connect to comprehensive tracking data throughout the airline system, recording every scan point your bag encounters during its journey. Moving into serious protection territory with hack number 2. Luggage hack number 2. Get the right insurance for compensation. Most travelers operate under a dangerous assumption that airlines will fully reimburse lost luggage costs. The shocking reality is that domestic airlines cap their liability around $3,500 regardless of your bag's actual contents, while international limits can be even lower. That designer wardrobe or professional photography equipment you're carrying exceeds these caps significantly. Smart travelers invest in specialized baggage insurance that protects actual item values rather than arbitrary airline limits. Unlike general travel insurance with significant exclusions for electronics and valuables, dedicated baggage coverage provides comprehensive protection and immediate emergency funds. The critical detail is timing. Most policies require purchase at least 24 hours before departure. Many premium credit cards automatically include superior baggage protection when you book flights with their card, often covering up to $5,000 per person with fewer restrictions than airline policies. Jennifer discovered this benefit accidentally when her luggage was lost on a work trip. Her credit card covered replacement business attire immediately, while the airline's compensation would have taken weeks. Now for our ultimate game-changing revelation. Luggage hack number 1. Track you. Luggage now for our ultimate game-changing revelation. Hack number 1 that separates amateur travelers from genuine professionals. This strategy leverages cutting-edge airline technology that fewer than 20% of passengers ever use, despite it being completely free and incredibly powerful. Major airlines have deployed sophisticated tracking systems that monitor your luggage at every stage of its journey using advanced technology. Every time your bag passes a scanning point from check-in through loading, transfers, and arrival, its precise location gets recorded in the airline's database. The strategic advantage this provides is enormous, yet most passengers remain completely unaware this resource exists. Here's how to harness this powerful system. Download your airline's mobile application before your travel day, locate the bag tracking feature typically found under trip details, and enable push notifications for real-time status updates. This gives you live alerts about your luggage's location throughout the entire journey. The transformative benefit becomes clear when problems occur. If your bag misses a connection or gets misdirected, you'll know immediately rather than discovering the issue at baggage claim. You can visit the service desk with specific location information instead of joining the crowd of confused passengers with vague complaints. Many airlines even allow filing missing bag reports through their apps while you're still on the plane, putting you hours ahead in the recovery process. This single strategy has rescued countless business trips and vacations. Yet airlines don't actively promote it because informed passengers create more work for their staff. The power remains in your hands once you know how to access it. So, which of these insider luggage hacks surprised you most? Have you ever experienced the nightmare of lost luggage or successfully saved your bags with clever preparation? Share your stories in the comments below. Your experience might save another traveler's vacation. If these strategies opened your eyes to possibilities you never knew existed, show your appreciation by hitting that like button and subscribing for weekly travel secrets that airlines prefer to keep hidden. And speaking of hidden information, don't miss our upcoming revelation about 9 surprising new flight restrictions for 2025 that could cause serious problems if you're unprepared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.